keep your Band-Aid, okay, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
And you better go to sleep. You hear me, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say?
I said okay.
No, you say,
Mm-hmm.
No, you say, yes. Okay, I put the blankie on. You better go to sleep, okay, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Go to sleep. You better listen to your teacher, okay? Go to sleep. You go to sleep. Okay, bye, Mom.
Bye. Bye.
Okay. You listen to your teacher. Go to sleep.
Okay.
You go to sleep.
What if I'm not tired?
Huh?
What if I'm not tired?
You sleep, and you cover this like that, and you go to sleep. You better go to sleep.
I'm awake now.
Okay. I keep your Band-Aid. I'm gonna keep your Band-Aid once you get your M&Ms. Oops. Come get your M&Ms. Here, eat them. You eat them. You get it? Give me my pillow back.
Give you a pillow back.
Yeah, put your head up.
Boo.
Lay down. Okay. You gotta go to sleep at first. You can't get your M&M. You gotta get M&M. If you keep it, don't eat it. You sleep with it. If you get a plug-in, you don't get a plug-in.
You're gonna pluck me?
Yeah, I'm a bad guy.
You're a bad guy?
Yeah, I am a bad guy. And you don't get you don't slap everybody, and you don't say shut up to everybody. Okay, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
And you don't say stupid to everybody.
Okay.
That's a bad word.
Mm-hmm.
Do you say shut up to everybody? You says do it. Do you slap everybody? Okay. I will get your blankie over there. I got your blankie. Gotta put your blankie on. I gotta go bye-bye. What is that for? And then my Band-Aid? Don't eat. Drink your candy. Here's your plug-in.
What?
You can put your plug-in?
I don't need a plug-in.
Okay. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Say hi. Go sleep.